What's up, y'all? It's your boy Plorbia. Today we are playing some Bee Swarm Simulator with Soul. Oh, so the stuff is still going. Oh wait, they give us star jelly. So gives you a gifted bee on whenever you use it. So we plant the basic egg, and we immediately get a gifted bomber bee. Okay. I will take that. Just open up the inventory and you can use the stuff by dragging the icons to it. You know what? I always liked Black Bear's quest. I'm giving him the gift. I'm pretty sure that's pretty good. I think that you'd like the buffs from Science Bear, but you need 10 bees to go to them.
Who did you give
I gave it to Black Bear.
our goat? Black Bear!
Black Bear is the goat. But don't give it to Black Bear. I call dibs on Black Bear's quests.
Oh.
I am going to max out this dude's quests.
Oops. I already did.
Screw you. Black Bear is mine. Dang it, I need those boots. Please, how much do those boots cost? This is so painfully slow. Get over here, Bomber. Oh, but he takes my entire stuff in one go. Okay, so 4,400. And also, how much does... That's stuff. Wait, so... I call dibs on blue bees. You can go after red or colorless or something, but I call dibs on blue.
What does blue do?
Blue's just a category. Like, every bee has a color. Some are colorless, like the bomber bee. But you did get a gifted rascal bee, which is a red bee. And the gifted rascal bee, its effect is...
Fair enough, we can do it, I guess.
So the gifted rascal bee gives more red bomb pollen. So red bombs... What?
So you get blue and I get red, I guess?
Yep. But in the beginning, it doesn't really matter because you'll get what you get. Ooh, give me this.
I really forgot what I do with pollen again.
You go back to the hive and convert it.
How do you get a shovel?
You start with it. Yeah, it's what you have out.
I can't work at all.
You're stupid. Okay, now just a bit more from here. Yoink. Quest complete. I'm just gonna be spamming the Black Bear quests. Because Black Bear is my boy. Ooh. Alright, I will. And also we gotta head over to here.
How do you buy eggs? Sorry.
Wait, what did you say?
I think by A. Oh, wait, never mind. I'm sorry.
You're stupid.
What's up, Black Bear?
No, Black Bear is my boy.
Too bad.
Purchase? It'd be funny if I just get a legendary bee from this. Nope, basic bee. And we're using a royal jelly on it. Nah, I don't want Looker bee. Ooh, bumblebee. That's blue. I like blue. Oh, wait, right. Need to use this. Ooh. So that's a lot of stuff for that one. Okay. Hey. Sunflower field is my field. Granted, it's mainly colorless pollen. But it's my field. Just like Black Bear is my boy. Oh, there's the ice cream truck on my street this late at night. Wait, so this costs 8B. Oh, wait, that's just... You used what?
Yeah? You said it!
Wait, you used what? And what did it give you? Oh.
It just...
Oh yeah, I see what it does. Basically, it's a temporary effect for that one field. There's my boy. What's up, my boy? How you doing, Black Bear? Aw, man. But I want it.
Let's go, 6.25K.
Bro, your balloon passed over me and immediately filled up my entire bag. So I just stole your pollen. Let's go.
This is gonna take so long. 5,900. You gotta get more than one boost.
Okay, so now we just yoink some of this good stuff. Ooh, yippee. And you see, that's why I love the Bumblebee. Bomb!
got a gifted bumblebee.
You just got another gifted bee?
Gifted bumblebee.
So now you have 2 gifted bees? Oh, you didn't... I thought that you used the gifted thing on and got the rascal bee. You used the star royal jelly there, didn't you?
For what?
The royal jelly with the star on it. You used that, and then you got that gifted bumblebee. Well, bumblebee, correct?
No.
Did you use the royal jelly with the star on it yet?
Nope. I used the one royal jelly.
Use the royal jelly with the star on it, but do not use it on the bumblebee. Use it on the rascal bee.
Ew.
It guarantees you get a gifted.
I got a rare. It's not gifted.
Did you use this thing with the star on it? Human, did you use the thing with the star on it?
Yes. Give me it.
And you're sure you didn't use it on this thing?
I used it on this.
Highly doubt it.
Give me a second. I have to move it.
I...
Look at this blessing.
Okay, now we just yoink some of this. Ooh. Oh. Let's go. Oh, now bum. Already full. Wait, what? I can barely hear you. Okay, there. Now we just make some honey. Give me an egg. I want egg. I got 1 egg. I don't know what that effect is. That cool breeze thing.
Oh, I did that.
With what?
I got Rascal Bee again. Locker Bee also.
Looker. What are you, like 3?
I'm gonna burn you.
No, like seriously.
No. You are though.
Then learn to spell. Ooh, gumdrop. You don't see those too often. Not since the gumdrop event. Okay, so we just collect some... Aw, man, my other bees are exhausted, aren't they? I just hear my brother in the other room screaming, "What is that? What is that?"
Wait. Where's the dandelion area? Is it not the first area?
Dandelion area is the one with the white balls.
Oh, that's a dandelion?
You're genuinely an idiot. Bruh. Now I gotta.
Snowflake.
Okay, so we're gonna keep that down there, along with this. We're gonna give. There. And then we'll just give you another one. We'll have this here, this here. Oh yeah, I forgot to have this volume on. Wait, so... Okay. But what are bloom petals? Huh? That's the photon bee. I thought someone used the photon bees. Dang it. Already full pollinated. What does this do? Ooh, and has a chance to turn one gifted. Oh, you need a lot of them to spend them. What was the limit? You thought what had a limit? We're aware. Bees, attack the ladybug. Give me a bomb, please. Bomb! And I can do this. Yeah, but I love the music in Bee Swarm. And also, look at that dude's hive. He has so many hive extensions. Photon bee, that blue bee with the green background, and also quite a few gifteds. He has a gifted baby bee. Huh? He has a gifted baby bee? I'm sorry, what? That's more loot luck.
Go trade him, you know?
There ain't trading in this game.
There is.
Alright, yeah, there is in the trading hub.
You could also say trade him last year.
I ain't played this game in years. Cut me some slack. And also, you can't be saying nothing when you didn't even know what a gifted jelly was. Okay, so... I believe I need more bees. I have no clue. No, look at the cost of it. When it's super expensive and too, it's 6,700. Oh, a fire bee. I'll keep it for now since it's an epic. And since, you know what, screw it, you have a gifted blue bee? I'm going for red. You can go for blue.
I already have one red.
Yeah, but that's just one common red. The beginning, it doesn't really matter what bees you have, but at the end, I'm going for red. That's my end goal. You got a gifted blue bee. Going for blue is the better choice for you.
Yeah! Yo, I have to be right back.
Yeah, but so he's either doesn't know what he's talking about, or he's the luckiest man on earth. Oh yeah, right, the Daily Royal Jelly Quest. Oh yeah, the Retro Swarm Challenge.
Yo, I gotta go. I'll be right back.
Yay. Finished the quest. I remember I used to hate this game. But it's pretty fun. Dang, bump. Yeah.
Everybody loves this game.
I used to hate it.
I played it that much. I mean, I played it a lot.
Oh, yay!
What?
Silver egg.
You had a lot.
I got it from Black Bear. Oh, the exhausted bee. Screw it. I'm going for red. I don't care what you say. I'm going for red.
So we're both going for red then.
No, you got the gifted blue bee.
Still go for red.
Oh wait, no, I shouldn't be in here. I should be over here. Ooh, bloom. Oh, so that's what it means by blue peppers. Okay, so that's my dandelion field one done. Oh man, my two best bees are down for the count. And also, y'all, today is your daily reminder to drink some water. I know you ain't had none in a while. Drink some. Yes, you. Drink some water. Yay, quest done. Hey, what's Black Bear's current quest? Oh, I don't have one right now. from the bamboo field. Good thing I recently got enough for that area. Okay, now we just make some honey. And just those two is enough. Those two are my best bees. They're my best bee buddy. So we'll grab that. We'll just pass through here. There. Let's go, we got some good music playing. Ooh, rage token. I forgot that it had sound effects. Yay, we got a fire going. Ooh, bum. Yoink. Okay, now we can kill the spider. And I actually have to dodge this thing. Because that deals good damage. Oh, a lot of my bees are down. Please, stop missing. A sprout? Here? Ooh, royal jelly. Yippee. Yeah, we can also deal with the ladybug. Oh, we got a strawberry. Yay. And a gumdrop. Quite rare. I rarely ever see gumdrops. Get over here. Dang, so all of them take it and it isn't enough? Oh yeah, I need to feed some treats to them. I don't have any. Well. Oh yeah, let's get a bit of a better collector. I suppose it could suffice. Oh yeah, Panda. We need his quest line. Hey. Yay. Oh, we have to fight vicious bees. Oh, ladybug? Bet. Though there is a royal jelly over here that I'm going to take. Parkour! Parkour! Okay, there. Now we can annihilate a ladybug. We've got a pretty good party off the bat. Ooh. Oh man, it's just a link token. Oh, there's my rage token. So what are the areas that I need to collect from that? Oh, I finished Blackbear's quest a while ago. Oh yeah, I just never went back to him. Ooh. So I need 5,000 red pollen. Y'all know exactly where I'm going if you've played the game before. If you haven't, then I'm going to Strawberry Field. Lots of red pollen there. Okay, yeah, but we do need some blueberries. So we will stop by in Clover to kill the locals. I mean, what? I meant to greet the locals. Definitely. And then we'll also drop down into blue. What's up? Yep. Okay, there. I've still got 5 bees. I've still only got 5 bees. Ooh, there we go. I'm pretty sure you can't trade bees. Anyways, y'all, we're going to pause for a bit because this thing's just sitting here for a while. Okay, there, yeah, we're just gonna sit here for a bit. Yo, this man, Soul just got a gifted basic bee from a basic egg. How does one do that? That is literally the most sought after gifted in the game. Except for maybe like gifted limiteds and all. Like seriously, how?